In this video, I will show you how to generate a QR code for an Instagram account. So to get started, the very first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your Instagram account and then select the user that you want to generate a QR code for. So you can select from your following, you can go ahead and select from your feed. So click on that user's name, and then as you can see in here, you will get redirected to their profile. So click on the top right corner of this profile and then select QR code from this. So this will allow you to generate a QR code for this specific Instagram user. So you can share this QR code. You can also copy the link of this QR code to share with anyone on the different social media platforms that you prefer to use for sending the link of this individual's profile. And that's basically how you can generate a QR code for an Instagram account.